Hi everyone! So today, samahan nyo kami sa aming new adventure sa Maitom, Sarangani Province! Tara! And we just arrived in our destination. Charot! Philippine Airlines yan. And finally, nakarating na din kami sa Pristine's Water Tubing Adventure and Resort. And dito naman guys, isinusukatan na kami ng life vest para safe kami mamaya sa aming adventure. And ayan siya, nakatulala, kinakabahan na ata. So ayan guys, it's orientation time and sinasabi sa amin ni Kuya yung mga do's and don'ts during our water adventure. Thank you so much po Kuya, ang galing niyo po mag-explain. 5-star ko po sa akin Kuya. And this is it guys, nakasakay na po kami sa habal-habal papunta sa starting point ng aming water tubing adventure. And here's the place and let the adventure begin. So this is the 9th feet fall guys, and my god, grabe! And here he goes! Grabe guys, first drop pa lang yun pero grabe na yung saya. So let's continue the fun and excitement! And on this part guys, abangan niyo yung nahulog. Deserve! At dahil nahulog tayo, may isang batang tuwang-tuwa na naman sa atin. Sige kuya, ilaban mo, pagkasyahin natin. Charot! So dito pala guys is nag-rest na muna kami kasi legit ang sakit sa batok, grabe. Pahinga saglit, Gina ulit! And as you can see guys, grabe yung color ng tubig. Legit, puting-puti. What an extreme adventure we had! Grabe ang saya na may halong konting kaba. But overall, it was indeed an amazing experience. And if I would rate it, it would be 100 over 10. So this is it, guys. We really had so much fun, and maybe you would consider this adventure to be part of your bucket list. So this is Jess Genre saying, life is short and the world is wide, so better get started. See you on our next vlog. Bye!